Solve for x in the following. Give your answer correct at 3 decimal places. That should immediately give you some indication that you're going to use a calculator. Okay. Now, I previously showed you how to use the logs when it comes to questions like this. Because if I have 5 to the power x equals 10, it's going to take some mighty maths to write 10 as 5 to the power something. Okay. So all I do is I take log on both sides. So I say log 5 to the power x must equal the log of 10. Now log of 10, remember we say if you don't put anything here as the base, it actually says 10. It just says it very softly, but it is actually a 10 there, which I don't have to write down. And if that's the same, my answer is 1, so this is 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. The x can move to the front. It becomes x log 5. I'm not going to write 10. I'm allergic to writing. So I'm going to divide by log 5 on both sides. So x will equal 1 over log 5. Right, let's use this calculator of mine. Let's see if we can do something. Why so light? So we're going to have 1. We're trying to do that. 1 divide by log. If you were a log, where would you be? Can't see it. It's too late. Log of 5, close bracket, enter. My answer is 1.430. They said to 3 decimal places, so 1.43. And if I have 3 decimal places, the fourth one is the one I'm looking at, so that will make it a 1. So that is 1.431. It's very important to round off correctly. So 3 decimal places, you look at the fourth space, so it will make it 1.431. Just quickly, on the sideline, if they said to 4 significant numbers, then you start counting there. That's 1 significant number, 2, 3, 4. If I said 2 significant numbers, 1, 2, 2 decimal places will be up to there. So just the difference between significant numbers and decimal places again. Okay, let's look at this one. 2 to the power x plus 1 equals 12. Now that's pretty obvious. You can't get 12 as 2 to the power something. So what I'm going to do, take log both sides. Log 2, I'm going to keep this bracket here, equals the log of 12. So I take log both sides. Now I'm going to take the x plus 1. This x plus 1, I'm going to take that to the front according to my log laws. So it becomes x plus 1. I use a bracket. That's what they made for. Log 12. I am now going to divide by log 2. So it's going to be x plus 1 equals log 12 divided by log 2, because I divide by log 2 on both sides. You can't simplify this with any log laws. Remember, look what I have handy. I can't simplify any of this. There's no rule for that. So I can only use it as it is. I want to find x. So x is going to be, I'm going to subtract 1 both sides. So it's going to be log 12 over log 2. And then I'm going to say take 1. Now, I'm going to say, open bracket, log, I now know how we log is, log 12, close bracket, divide by log 2, close bracket, take 1. Answer is 2.58, 3 decimal places, so we look at the fourth value. That one will make this a 5, so it will be 2.585, 2.585.